Hey y'all, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a little different. Actually, it's not. I'm working on a bus, but I got my nephew working on. And when I tell y'all, he top tier with the help and all the what's called safety precautions were taken. So don't come with that. Y'all gotta watch my man. He was helping more than a lot of adults will help. And subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. This video is, why are you supposed to say it? Sponsored in part by public housing. But it's not though, it's really not. I'm just joking. I just love them. But yeah, all right.
Can that break?
If it breaks, it's fine.
I was asking because I didn't want to get hurt. And I didn't want to get in trouble either.
Yeah, I thought you just didn't want to get in trouble. You didn't get in trouble. And he know what he doing too. He done went to work with my dad a couple times, so he know what he doing and all that stuff. But of course, he's a kid, so I still gotta stay right there, and I still gotta put it on slow mode and all that stuff. All right, so what you see us doing is taking everything down because this is the bathroom and the bathroom wall and all that stuff. And we about to tear it down. And we gotta tear the bathroom down back here because I'm putting the bed back here and I need some more room. But I still need the bathroom too, so it's just getting moved to another spot, that's all.
Montage time. It's montage time. This is like the video where Granddad and Charlie did, but it's just simple. It's me now and Charlie. You should have kept YouTube on Charlie.
I still got it.
Oh, good.
Hey, listen, Junior is funny, ain't he? He was serious too.
Charlie, I bet if I could jump back here, you owe me 1 penny. I did it. Wait.
I knew you could, though.
What you say?
I already knew you could. Here's my hand sanitizer.
Okay. I'm glad you had hand sanitizer on the bus.
And I water too, because I don't know how much you need.
Because I don't need to be Mr. Pee-Pee Hands.
I don't have it.
I know. I was going to ask you for 2 more, but... wait, lift it up right here. What? Lift it up.
You want to lift it? It's heavy.
Wait.
See?
Get the bottom, baby. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's heavy.
Want that? Want that?
It's good now.
All right.
Oh.
Go ahead, drop it.
Okay.
Get off your feet. Yeah. Okay, come on this side and just push. But good job. You did great.
Wait, I'm going to see if I can do it by myself.
Hold up. And get it over this.
I was going to lift it up to get it over there.
Go ahead. Hold on.
I'm strong, y'all. Y'all see this? I'm built different. I'm built different. Now, if I got to say that to y'all one more time, I'm built different.
Where you get that from?
TikTok. And I got it from, I just like spin it because
you built
I'm
different.
just built different.
True.
But that actually is true.
I know it's true. You ain't got to tell me. I know. You feel me. Alright. I told y'all the young boy is funny. He's serious too. But yeah, so we finished getting everything from the back basically, but we had to touch stuff out the walls and I hadn't took the sink out yet. So, or the floors, or the corner boards, corner rounds, whatever they call it. But we got it. We was getting it.
Oh my gosh. It's not that hard, but I still can hurt myself.
He was talking himself in and out of jumping from the bus. Oh, you already took it out. That's what's up.
Could just kick it out right now.
This stuff is dangerous. That's why my daddy be doing. Johnny wanted to use the fast drill, and I just had to explain to him why not right now.
Yeah. Try to kick right here. Yep. There you go. Thank you.
And this is the fun part, the destruction.
I'm strong.
You ain't know?
I didn't know, but I didn't know I was that strong when I could kick the ball down. be kicking the door down. If I was a superhero and I had to be a strange superhero, my name would be Super Count.
Super kick the door down.
Yep.
Oh.
More like super kick the shoe off.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, so at this point I already took the screws and stuff out, so now I'm just telling him where it's safe to hit it with the hammer at. Bow! 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 That boy, listen, he was having fun, and I ain't even had to tell him nothing but once where to hit at it. He just went to work. He just went to work on it.
No. But I'm strong. I'm strong. I can push this right now.
I ain't gonna lie, I was having a bit of fun too, but look at Jody though, I got him hyped up.
Oh!
Fix your nose thing. Well, I think this is what the wood is.
Wait.
Hey, listen, don't come for our bootleg gloves neither. We had to change gloves about 4 or 5 times, so we had to use what we had, okay? And here he goes. He's back at it. Let's see how far he'll go. Now I had to come in there and get in there, because I seen an easier way. And y'all know I like to work smart, not hard. And when I seen that jump was going to come off in one piece, I was like, hold up, nephew. Let me get in there right quick. And then, you know, come on, let's just have some more fun again. Because we had to do the other side. We did have to do the other side. But you see, one piece. And now, we get to have some more fun. Hey!
Wait, I'm gonna kick it down. Wait.
The door.
The door? Kick it.
Get out of it.
Okay. What's up?
Okay, no. Alright, I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Charlie's Angels.
Let's kick it. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I didn't want my shoe.
Oh, your shoe came off. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Bruh, I don't see no other way of tearing down walls but this one. If you tear down walls, it should be like this. Like, what is tearing down walls without punching and kicking? Come on now, somebody answer. I ain't think so. So nephew was finishing up on that wall while I started on the other one. No, that ain't helpful.
Ready, Charlie?
I got that out the door after I asked you. But look what I done started. He was ready to destruct something. I'm just like, okay, nephew, let me just tear the walls down on this side and make it safe. And then we can get back at it again. And grip my glove. Ain't that safe? Okay, so I'm a little embarrassed I couldn't punch a hole in it. But this wall was a little harder for some reason, so it came off in one. Maybe this was a different kind of sheetrock.
You want? Can I hit it now?
Even though there was no power possible going to the outlet, once I realized the outlet was still there, I was like, nah. And then this come off in one piece. So I was like, nah, just take it off in one hole. We good.
One corner.
Okay, so you want to go trash this stuff and then come back and get to the floor? Go ahead, you can spray.
He wanted to spray paint something so bad once he seen I had some spray paint, so I just let him. All right, I'm already pushing 10 minutes on this video, so I'm gonna just let y'all see. This is how the salon first looked. Well, half of it. This is the first salon. I switched it up 2 or 3 times, and then I tore the last one down, and this is the breakdown of it. Let me know if y'all want to see me tear the floors out, build floors, build whatever. Comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.